Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, where today we're going to be making a sweet and spicy smoothie. This smoothie is so delicious and I'm so excited to share it with you because it's perfect for summer. So what's more to say than that? Let's get started. So to start with, what I have here is 1 cup of frozen mango. If you're using fresh mango, just double the amount of ice you're going to be using for this recipe. I'm then also going to add in half a cup of ice. Starting to melt, 1/4 of an avocado, and then I have the zest of 1 large orange, as well as 1 full orange. And then I also have half a cup of coconut water. If you don't have coconut water, you can just use almond milk or a non-dairy milk. And then I also have about 1 big pinch of cayenne pepper. You can put more in if you like spice. If not, you can not add this at all. And then what I also have here is 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm gonna first blend it and check the sweetness of my smoothie before I add this in, because you never really know how sweet your fruit is going to be until it's all blended together. So let's get blending. Smells delicious. I think it could do with a little bit of sweetness, so I'm going to add about half of the honey I have here, so around half a tablespoon. There we go. And just give it 1 final blend. Oh, I forgot one of the ingredients. The last thing we have to add in is the juice of 1 full lime. I knew I was missing something. All right. Okay, 1 now final mix. And this recipe can go for 1 or 2 people, depending on how much smoothie you are feeling. And I'm now really only using paper straws because it's so much better for our environment and they're so easily available and cheap, so there's really no reason not to use them. So now my favorite part, getting to actually try my smoothie. So good, so creamy, and it also has that spice from the cayenne in there, and it's just delicious. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I do. Thank you for watching.